Hello and welcome. My name is Hale and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks that will help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today, I would like to introduce you to a totally new feature called Flat Display Mode of Material View. This feature allows the user to analyze the material data in Material View in a new and useful way. Before we begin, it's important to understand that in order to use Material View, the materials in your proposal must be assigned to ProPricer's material library. If you have questions about using ProPricer for material pricing, our technical support team would love to help you out. So let's get into ProPricer and look at the Material View. Material View is one of the many proposal views that allow you to view proposal data in a unique way. All of the other proposal views are grouped conveniently on the Proposal tab of the ribbon under the Task View button. To open the Material View, first I'm going to click on my proposal over here in the navigation pane. Then I'm going to select the Proposal tab of the ribbon and click on the drop-down menu below Task View. From this list of proposal views, I'll select Material View. By default, the Material View opens to a hierarchical display mode. As you can see, in this layout, all the materials are displayed based on their place in the bill of materials structure. This first column here shows each part of the assembly's level in the hierarchical structure. Now I'm going to expand the first row by clicking the little plus symbol over here. Just for good measure, I will expand level 2 as well. Now we see the structure of the BOM. I can sort on any of these columns by simply clicking on the column's header. See the assembly part column here? We'll click it and the grid is sorted by that column in ascending order. However, when we do that, the materials list in both grids is still grouped by their hierarchical structure. The flat display mode of Material View removes the hierarchical grouping. This allows you to sort on any column across all the materials on your proposal. To enable the flat display mode, right-click in either the top or middle grid, and then select Display Mode, and then select Flat. You will see that the level column that was grouping the data before is now gone. When I sort on any of these columns in the grid, it's no longer organized by the hierarchical structure. This means that all the parts throughout the proposal are grouped together, regardless of which structure they appear on. Here is a side-by-side view of the Material View in both the default hierarchical display and the new flat display. Notice how the part and assembly column is sorted in each layout. Another feature that's available in the flat display mode is the Group by Box. The Group by Box is not available in the default hierarchical display mode because the grid is already grouped by the level column. To use the Group by Box, right-click in either grid and select Group by Box. When you do this, a gray box appears at the top of the screen. I can then group the grid by dragging any column into the Group by Box. Watch what happens when I drag the Task ID column into the Group by Box. The grid becomes grouped by task. To sum up today's episode, the new flat display mode of Material View allows you to sort all of the material data in the proposal's Material View across every assembly assigned to your proposal. This allows you to view the data in a new and useful way. The Group by Box feature can also be used with this new display mode to group the data by any column in the material input grid. This gives you fast and accurate data analysis right there in the ProPricer window. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer, or maybe even some tips and tricks of your own, please let us know. Who knows, your tip might just end up in our next video. Again, my name is Hale, and always, thank you for watching.